If you're still focusing on clean eating and healthier eating, then these Chocoholic oat bars are gluten-free, dairy-free, refined sugar-free, and they're also vegan. To get started, place 3/4 of the dates into a cup of boiling water and then leave to soak for about 20 minutes. Then preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 180 degrees Celsius. Then pop the dates along with the water into a blender and process until you have a smooth paste. Then transfer the date paste into a large mixing bowl. Add in 2½ cups of oats, and I'm using quick cooking oats here, 1/3 cup of coconut oil, and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Combine all the ingredients and then chop up the remaining 1/4 cup of dates, add those into the mix as well. And next, scoop all the oat mix into a lined baking tin. And then smooth over the top. And then pop in the oven and bake for about 25 minutes. So once you remove the oats from the oven, you can put them to one side to cool, and in the meantime prepare the chocolate topping. In a large bowl over a pan of boiling water, add in 1 cup of unsweetened dark chocolate chips and stir until they're melted. And working quickly while the mixture is still hot, spread the chocolate over the top of the oats. And then to finish, using a spoon or with a pinch of your fingers, lightly sprinkle some crushed almonds over the top. Place the tray in a fridge to set for at least 30 minutes. And once the chocolate's firmly set, using a sharp knife, cut into bars. So as you can see, these healthy Chocoholic oat bars are super easy to make, and you know that they contain no processed sugars or preservatives. I hope you find this recipe helpful. Thank you for watching.